Hey geeks, so today I want to share the best investment that I made in 2018. And it's not stocks and it's not real estate. It's actually this right here. This is the Panasonic G85 4K camera. And the reason why I say this is the best investment I made this year is for two very important reasons. The first one is that your production quality is going to be better. Not only is this better for your community and your clients, but it's just better overall for your brand. And then the second more important reason is that when you do get a camera, you're going to learn so many new skills when it pertains to videography and photography. And these are skills that you can apply to many different areas for the rest of your life. And so the return investment on this is absolutely huge. And so if you are a brand new content creator and you're thinking about what's the next area you should invest in, I highly recommend that you look at getting a camera. So if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and we'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.